Okay, so here I am again. My curry shark is finished and my green banana. So I'm gonna tell you what I did while I was away. I picked the meat from off the bone of the shark when it was cooked. So this is what the bone looked like. So this is the bone from the shark and it's all ready to be served. So I'm going to turn the stove off. The banana is ready. So let me show you how so this is the banana and the skin. What I'm going to do is remove the skin from the banana. Okay. Let's put that in the garbage. This is the banana. One more. Okay. So it's been cooking the skin. I'm removing the skin. Skin goes in the garbage. And the banana goes right here on the plate. So that's the banana. Now I'm gonna add the curry shark to the plate. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. I'm gonna add some sliced tomato to give it that creative look. So here you have it. Curry shark, green banana with tomato. Oh, it's so hot, the steam is coming up. So this is what it looked like. So I'm gonna enjoy it right now. And anybody have any question, please feel free to call me at 201-396-4614. Again, also, this is the spicy sauce that I use in there. Don't use too much if you're not a person who like hot sauce, because this is extremely hot. And this is Venus sassy sauce. Curry shark with green banana and sliced tomato. Okay? That's all, folks. See you next time.